Hi, my name is Roberto, and today it's Friday, March 21st, and today we're going to do a quick trade using auto binary signals. In fact, we're going to trade this euro yen asset that has a trend expectancy of 30 or 90%, and the direction is up. So euro yen, $20, direction up. The position has just been improved. And well, since we have already opened this position, as you can see down there, what do you say if we wait for a few seconds until it closes? The position is being validated right now, and in fact is now closed, and as it was expected, it was in the money, and we just got a payout of $34. That equals a 70% return of investment, which is pretty sweet. And that has been that for now. Thank you and goodbye.